Bienvenidos a Nicaragua. Welcome to Nicaragua. After how many hours? I don't know. That this proved to be the most complicated border station. We came from Tegucigalpa. This is the border station Las Manos. From the side of the Honduras, everything went okay. Straightforward. We stamped the passports and we cleared the car with the temporary permit, and then we crossed the bar to the Nicaraguan side, where directly 3 people arrived, 2 policemen and the customs officer, and one of them, he took the passports and the car's registration card, and the other 2 said, we have to check the vehicle. And as soon as they enter the vehicle, they ask, do you have a drone? I say, we have a drone, but it doesn't work. So I show him the drone, and this is a problem because drones are not permitted in Nicaragua. You have to ask for a permission beforehand online from the tour agency, the tour organization of Nicaragua. Practically, I think it's impossible to enter with a drone. So what you have to do is, or you turn back, or you give them the drone, you pay $40 online, and they send the drone to the exit border station. An alternative is that you go to Honduras and you arrange with them with a DHL, a courier service, and you send the drone outside of Nicaragua to your following destination. Let's say we're going to Costa Rica, Costa Rica. So we spent about 2 hours thinking what to do, to go back, to go from a different border station and hide the drone with the risk to be found. So what we preferred to do was to send the drone directly by DHL from Honduras to Costa Rica. So we're going to take it from there. So keep this in mind. If you are supposed to enter in Nicaragua, forget your drone. Second, we went to immigration. Immigration, we paid $13 each, which means $39 in total. A lot of bureaucracy, a lot of red tape, 20 minutes for 3 people. Anyway, we crossed and then we went to the customs. We paid nothing for the customs. This is the best news. We paid only $1 for a local guy who helped us for compiling, for filling the documents. And 20 minutes later, we were over. So we spent all day today because we were waiting for hours to decide what we do. But we entered the country. Actually, we paid $12 for 1 month local car insurance, which is okay. And we paid $3 for the local municipality, the local community here at the border. We are ready to travel Nicaragua. Bienvenidos.